Hello dear students, welcome back to the science class. Dear students, in the previous video class, we were studying about the lesson nervous system. Yes, what all the things we have studied? Yes, we have studied the parts of a nervous system. Yes, before going to tell the parts of the nervous system, can you define what is nervous system? Yes, it is the connection from brain to the different body parts is called a nervous system. Nervous system is the connection from where? From brain to the different body parts is called a nervous system. The connection from the brain to the different body parts. ಬ್ರೈನಿಂದ ಬೇರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸಿಗಿರುವಂಥ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಸ್, ದ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಫ್ 3 parts: the brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Together the nervous system is formed here. The nervous system is made up of total 3 parts: brain, spinal cord and the nerves. Yes, the nervous system is made up of different parts. The first one is the brain, the spinal cord and the nerves. Our body has interconnected of a nerves here. Yes, it is having a interconnected nerves. Can you see this is the interconnected nerves? For this only we are calling a nervous system. Today we are going to study about the human brain. Yes, dear students, where is brain is present? Brain is present in the part of a skull. Yes, how the brain is protected? Brain is protected by the skull. Yes, can you see the outer layer? That is a skull we call. Inside the skull, brain is present. In the picture you can observe here. The outer part is a skull here. Inside that the brain is present here. So, the brain is protected by whom? Brain yarinda protection agide? The brain is protected by the skull part it is, and it is in the part of a skull. Okay, so we are going to study about the human brain. Let us see here. Brain. The brain is the center of a control. What is a brain? It is the center of a ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ದೆನ್? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್. ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನನ್ನು ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ what it is? It collects all the information about surrounding. What does the brain will do? It will collect all the information from the surrounding, and then next the process will takes place here. It controls our entire body by sending and receiving the messages through the nerves. Yes, dear students, the brain what it will do? It will control our entire body. Yes, whatever our body is working, that working is depending upon the brain only. It will send the message and it will receive the message. Okay, through the what? Through the help with the help of the nerves here. With the help of these nerves, it will receive and it will send the message here. Yes, how the message is received and sent to the brain? With the help of the nerves. And who will control our body here? Yes, the brain. The brain is having that capacity. It controls our entire body by sending and receiving the messages. Then how the message is sent to the brain? Yes, how we are receiving the message? With the help of the nerves. With the help of the nerves we are receiving the and we are sending the message here. The brain has a person the brain helps a person to think, remember, feel and control body movements. Yes, how the brain will helps to a person? ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ದ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಅ ಪರ್ಸನ್ to think, remember. Yes, you can remember everything, whatever happened, that all you can remember. So the brain will help to remember and even feel and control body movement. Even the brain is can control the body movements. Yes, the brain has 3 parts. How many parts it is having? It is having 3 parts. Yes, the brain. It is a brain. You can see this is the picture of a brain here. It is having a total 3 parts. This yellow color part. Yes, can you see this is the yellow colored one? It is a cerebrum. 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 And this is the pink color portion is there. It is a cerebellum. And this red color part, can you see? It is a medulla. So it is having how many parts, dear students? It is having 3 main parts. Brain has 3 main parts. The first one is the cerebrum, cerebellum and the medulla. Remember, the brain has 3 main parts. The first one is the cerebrum. Yes, this is the cerebrum. The spelling of cerebrum here in your textbook, it is cerebrum. cerebrum. Cerebrum, yellow color. And the green color, yes, here the pink color, it is the cerebellum. The next one is the medulla. This is the 3 main parts of a brain. Let us see about the cerebrum. This is the main and the largest part of the brain. Yes, dear students, can you see which is the largest part of a brain? Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Which is the largest part? Cerebrum is the largest and it is the main part. It has grooves and folds so that it can fit into the skull. Yes, can you see? Yes, this is the cerebrum and it is having a folds here. Yes, can you see it is having how? Folds. What we call for grooves, we call. Grooves, nothing but this structure we are calling a grooves and it is having a folds also. For this we call a grooves and folds here. So that it can fit into the skull. Why it is having a folds? Because it has to fit into our skull. So it is having a grooves and folds. It receives the message from the sense organ and send back to the message about what is to be done. See, dear student, what is the function of a cerebrum? So cerebrum, what it do? Cerebrum, it receives the message from the sense organs. We are having a total 5 sense organs. Yes, eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. These are the 5 sense organs. So what this cerebrum do? This cerebrum, it receives the message from these sense organs. If 5 ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದು? ಅದು ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಸೆರಿಬ್ರಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, ಲಾರ್ಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಸೆರಿಬ್ರಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಂದ ಬರುವಂಥ ಮೆಸೇಜನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ sense organs and send back the message about what is to be done. See, dear students, one example I will give you. If you touch any hot substance, ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ತುಂಬ ಬಿಸಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ವಸ್ತುನ ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ, if you touch any hot material, yes, the message suddenly it will pass to the cerebrum. Yes, it is hot. So answer what it gives, don't touch that one. Okay, don't touch it. So suddenly you will remove the hand, nothing but you have to remove your hand. The message it given back, what? Remove your hand. Think that you have touched the hot pan. Yes, hot pan na muttidri neevu, touch madidri. So if you touch the hot pan, what happens? You will feel very hot. Suddenly you will remove hand. It has reached the cerebrum and answer what it has given, remove your hand. Okay, this is the function of a cerebrum. It receives message from the sense organs and send back the message about what is to be done. What you have to do? You have to remove your hand because it is very hot. Yes, this manner the cerebrum works here. The next one, see here. The cerebrum is the center of learning, memory, and the intelligence and reasoning. It is dome shaped. Yes, how it is? It is a dome shaped. Yes, for this what we call? We call dome shape. We call cerebrum is a dome shaped. Remember, it is a dome shaped it is, and it is the largest part. Which is the largest part of our brain? Cerebrum is the largest part. Let us see about the cerebellum. This is the part of the brain and is an egg shaped structure, and it lies under a cerebrum. Yes, cerebellum. Yes, which we are learning? We are learning about a cerebellum. It is the part of a brain and it is egg shaped. Yes, can you see here? Cerebellum, how it is? It is egg shape. Yes, it is egg shape. And where it lies? It is below the cerebrum. It lies where? Under the cerebrum. It is responsible for control and coordination of our voluntary muscles, like movement of our limbs. It helps to balance the body while walking, running, cycling, even helps to keep you an upright position. Cerebellum, what it does? It helps to control and coordination our voluntary muscles. Nothing but it will control over the voluntary muscles. For example, the skeletal muscles like eyes, nose, yes, legs. Okay, these all are, we can control that one. If you want to walk, you will walk. If you want to stop walking, you will stop. This work will be done by a cerebellum. Okay. The next one, medulla. Medulla is also known as a brain stem. Yes. Can you see this red color? For this we are calling a medulla. And one more name for a medulla is a brain stem we call. Brain stem. What is the another name for a medulla? The another name for a medulla is the brain stem. Because of its shape. Yes, can you see why it is called a brain stem? Because of the shape it is. It is like a stem, like a structure. So we are calling it as a brain stem because of its shape. Because of the shape of the medulla is like a stem it is. So we are calling it as a brain stem. Why medulla is also known as a brain stem? Because of its shape, the medulla is also called a brain stem. It is a stem-like structure and lies at the base of the brain. Yes, dear students, how it is? It is like a stem-like structure, and where it lies? It lies below the base of the It lies at the base of the brain here. Where it is? At the base. Yes, this is the base. So it lies at the base of the brain here. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. Its function is to control the movement of involuntary muscles used in breathing, blinking of eyes, heartbeat, and digestion. So, what is the function of the medulla? It controls the movement of involuntary muscles like used in a breathing, blinking of eyes, heartbeat and digestion. Yes, and it is connected to the spinal cord. This medulla is there, no? Where it is connected? It is connected to the spinal cord. You can see in the picture, here is the brain. Okay, it is having a 3-part and this medulla, brain stem, it is attached to the where? It is attached to the, here, spinal cord. So this is all about the parts of the brain we have studied. I hope you have understood about the brain here. Okay, in the next video class, again we will continue with this lesson, dear students. Till that, study well. Have a nice day. Thank you.